Move it now.
It is commonly cultivated throughout those regions, and the fruits of the tall are are seasonally abundant in the local market. By the way, there are two different varieties of cattle, considering two different species, and those are the red and the yellow variety. Cattle fruit is one of the most common fruits, and it is readily available from here. According to the survey, the wild mangosteen and cattle is one of the most favorite fruits of the Philippines. It is rich in vitamin C, which is good to our health. It also contains ascorbates, an antioxidant, which protects our body against oxidative stress. What is oxidative stress? Oxidative stress is a condition wherein there are more, there are more free radicals present in the body rather than antioxidants. Our target market is for all ages. For kids, because it is not that hard to choose, for young adults and adults only. For the materials and ingredients needed to prepare the snatcher. The materials are snatcher cup, which is used in measuring the amount of nutrition. Flour, which is used in mixing the sugar solution.
Okay na yung ganyan.
Chopping board,
Okay na yung ganyan. His favorite. Ngawit
and
po.
knife is
7 minutes kaya yan.
peeling and slicing the cattle. For the ingredients, we need sugar. Make sure that it is washed sugar. Cattle or wild mangosteen, which is the most important. And sugar solution, it is a solution made up of sugar and water, the combination. And the cooking oil, which is used to fry the cattle. For the speaker, let's say it is first, we should prepare all of the materials and ingredients needed.
Kitang boses niya.
Peel
Fair.
wild mangosteen or cattle and slice it in three. But be sure that when you slice it, it is not that thick, so that the softness of the cattle will lessen. Next to that is, put it into the water with sugar and leave it for 1 hour. After soaking it with sugar solution matters, put it in the put the wild mangosteen in a container and let it dry out.
Last na, di ba, to lunch break?
Afterwards, sprinkle it with sugar. Watch the sugar. As we all know, let us be practical. Watch the sugar is cheaper than the refined sugar. Then lastly, fry it in enough cooking oil so that it won't freeze the pan. And wait until it becomes soft. Maybe you are all wondering how much our package is. Actually, it depends on the sizes of the package. For the small size, it only costs 5 pesos. For the medium size, it is 10 pesos.
4
And
minutes
for
and
the
30
larger size,
seconds
it
na.
is 50 pesos. This is very affordable.
Bye-bye.
So you cannot experience our super capitalistic system if you don't have a sauce. In our sauce, there is a steamer where the products will be placed, basket where the sanctions are placed also, a bottle, a juice bottle, and a thermos for hot drinks. In our sauce also, the final colors are being
Ano?
a combination of red and yellow.
Ano?
Used for this outcome.
Sino ba ito?
We also added other colors to make it more attractive and presentable in the eyes of the customer. So, what are you waiting for? Try our new Miscellaneous Satin on Tara!
Bye.
You're welcome, ma'am.
and you are well prepared. So the solid season not only, and therefore you will only be able to test your sonship during the peak season of the fall. That is, not full year round.
In our findings according to the internet, it is already available throughout the year.
Throughout the year kasi buong taon, hindi din ako sa doctor, wala akong mabili, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng doctor eh. So you gotta be careful with your data, ha? Saan ang gagaling? Dahil sa akin, seasonal to. Don't answer na, sabi ko, exercise yung pero pag nagsinunali kayo, ayoko. Hindi ako sa santo, hindi binababad ko to sa brine solution. Tapos may, sa kinain ko to, may mabuong. Kaya yung nakahanap-hanap ko talaga. Pero ito masarap. Talaga.
But there are also some sort of different classes, so we can use one. There are
Matarin, at saka how much. Siyempre, pag imported, mas mahal. Now, would you address ngayon yung sourcing ng material nyo without incurring too much expense? Masarap, masarap. We can send it. Oo.
maybe we can produce it during peak season.
Talaga magkakano kayo doon, and then you can pack it na another, sorry po, yung sugar kasi, for diabetes, no? Ang suggestion ko lang, you can use yung tobacco na sugar, mas mura yun. Oo. Except the mas tobacco, kung mas tobacco na siya, yung fine niya mahal. Pero yung tobacco na ganyan, ang rin, mas mura, mas maganda.
My question is about official seasonality. Told us that it has been from the father's seasonality and we produce it or sell it during the peak season. I think suggestion that we need to find ways of how to preserve the product that we can serve even during the rainy season.
Break na ata after nito. Consultation na?
Thank you, Pastor, for the very cute presentation.